Welcome to our channel. If you want to select the best 5G plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to match your device capabilities and usage patterns. Step 1. Verify your phone supports 5G networks and which type. Some devices only access slower 5G nationwide networks, while others support faster 5G Ultra Wideband or millimeter wave connections. Step 2. Understand the different 5G tiers offered by carriers. Low-band 5G provides wide coverage with modest speed increases, while mid-band and millimeter wave offer dramatically faster speeds in limited areas. Step 3. Review your typical monthly data usage in your current account settings. Understanding whether you use 2 GB, 10 GB, or 50 GB monthly helps select appropriate plan sizes. Step 4. Compare unlimited plans versus tiered data plans for 5G service. Unlimited plans often throttle speeds after certain usage thresholds, while tiered plans charge overage fees. Step 5. Check 5G coverage maps for areas where you live, work, and travel frequently. Don't pay premium prices for 5G plans if coverage isn't available where you need it most. Step 6. Evaluate additional perks included with premium 5G plans. Higher tier plans often include streaming subscriptions, international features, and mobile hotspot data with better priority. Step 7. Consider network priority and deprioritization thresholds carefully. Premium plans maintain fast speeds even during network congestion, while cheaper plans may slow down at busy times. Step 8. Test 5G service with a trial period if your carrier offers it. Some carriers allow 30-day test drives or money-back guarantees to ensure 5G performance meets your expectations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.